Alright guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will do a very important Bitcoin update and I will clarify a few things. If you have Bitcoin or you want to buy Bitcoin, this video is very important. So let's start. First of all, this recent pullback was 23.18% away from the all-time high. This pullback depth is completely normal and healthy. Every single time in this bull run, the pullback was between 20 to 23%. This pullback was 23%. The last one also was 21%. Before that, 23%, 20%, 22%. If you remember, in the last big bull run, in the last cycle, in 2021, we even had a 31% pullback before we really took off. And we even also had a 55% pullback right here before we had the other second all-time high in the last cycle. Let's look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart. Who doesn't love it? This Bitcoin rainbow chart shows you essentially the ranges of the different cycles. Every 4 years, we have one cycle separated by the halving event. As you might know, just a few weeks ago, we had the last halving, which means the Bitcoin mining rewards got cut in half, which means the inflation rate of Bitcoin is now cut in half, which means less Bitcoins will come into existence, which means every single time we have a halving, we have essentially a slow supply shock because less Bitcoins come in circulation. Right now, we are still here in the blue, or you can say turquoise area, which is the buy area. We are still far away from yellow, orange, and the more dark orange tones, which are the profit-taking zones. Right now is definitely not the cheapest place to buy. However, relatively in this cycle, it is still a medium good buy zone if you want to make money in this bull run. This here is the original Bitcoin rainbow chart. They also made an updated version, which is more conservative. And even if you take the more conservative version of the chart, we are still right here in the still cheap area. We are far away from yellow, orange, and these tones here, where we will take our profits in this bull run of our Bitcoins. Long term, right now on the weekly chart, in this bull run, we are still bullish and everything is fine. Medium term, if we check out the daily chart, we had medium term a small downtrend because we had lower highs here consecutively on Bitcoin and we had lower lows. However, we recently had the first higher low again and also the first higher high again. So now medium term also, we just shifted trend. Now we have to be very careful because number one, we are right now at a crucial resistance zone right here. This is an area where we might get rejected. That's why we have to keep an eye on this zone right here. Also, structurally speaking, right here is also an important resistance zone and up here as well. Right now, we have to keep an eye on this resistance zone right here because this here could be a rejection point and we could go down back again to this level here. Or potentially, we could also take out this liquidity down here. We could have a liquidity sweep right here, which, as you know, might still be okay because pullbacks between 20 to 30% are completely healthy and normal. And structurally speaking, in the long term, on the weekly chart, we would be still bullish. If you appreciate these quick Bitcoin updates video, let me know and give this video a like. Also, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Peace.